Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to learn how to add a form to our Wix Harmony site. Let's get started. Click the Add button here and click Elements. Now hover over the three dot button here and choose Form and Contact from the list. Here you should see different options to choose from, so you can create a new form from scratch or add an existing form or a form that you've previously worked on, or you can also select some pre-made forms or templates right over here. In my case, I think it's a lot easier to use a template. So depending on what kind of form you want to create, you can select from a subscribe form, request and registration, contact form, and so much more. Once you find a form that you'd like to use, you can drag and drop it onto the section or place you've prepared for it. And once you add it, make sure to position it properly as well. If in case there are fields in the form that you want to edit, click on Edit Form above, and on this window, you can add even more fields, which you can choose from here on the left panel, or tweak existing fields and its settings according to your needs and preferences. And once you're done working on your form, you can click on Save over here to save the changes you've made, and you can close this window now. Your changes within the editor will also be automatically saved. And that's it. Hope you guys found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.